Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your trusted resource for all things health and wellness. It's not just about keeping up with the latest trends but understanding the science behind each one. We're here to empower you with knowledge, enabling you to make informed decisions that lead to a healthier, happier life. Today, we're going to discuss something that's often overlooked yet crucial for our well-being: vitamins, but not just any vitamins. We're focusing on 10 potent vitamins that play a significant role in protecting our bodies from nerve damage. They're the unsung heroes of our nervous system, ensuring it functions smoothly, and we're going to learn all about them. So whether you're a health enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone dealing with nerve health issues, this discussion will offer valuable insights. Ready to dive into the world of vitamins and their impact on nerve health? Buckle up and let's get started. First on our list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This mighty vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted smoothly and efficiently throughout your body. Without it, the symphony of your nervous system could descend into chaos. Vitamin B1 is involved in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerves. Without enough myelin, nerves can become damaged, and the signals they carry can be disrupted. Now you may be wondering, where can I find this essential vitamin? Well, it's abundant in foods like whole grains, meat, and fish. It's also found in nuts, seeds, and some fruits and vegetables. So incorporating these foods into your diet can help keep your nervous system in tip-top shape. Remember, a deficiency in vitamin B1 can cause nerve damage, so keep your intake up. Next up is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. This powerhouse plays a crucial role in the health of our nervous system. It's involved in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals throughout our body. When we're deficient in vitamin B6, it can lead to nerve damage, showing just how vital it is to our nerve function. But where do we get this critical nutrient? It's actually present in a variety of foods. You can find it in abundance in poultry, fish, and organ meats. If you're more into plant-based foods, don't worry. Vitamin B6 is also plentiful in starchy vegetables like potatoes and non-citrus fruits such as bananas and avocados. Whole grains and fortified cereals are other excellent sources. Remember, a balanced diet is key to ensuring you're getting enough of this important vitamin. So ensure you get enough vitamin B6 to keep your nerves functioning properly. Now, let's talk about vitamin B12. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our nerve cells. It's involved in the creation of the myelin sheath, a protective layer that covers our nerves and ensures the swift and efficient transmission of electrical signals throughout our body without sufficient B12. This protective layer can deteriorate, leading to nerve damage and a host of associated problems. So where can we find this vital nutrient? Well, vitamin B12 is abundant in animal products like meat, dairy, and eggs. For those on a plant-based diet, fortified cereals, nutritional yeast, and certain types of algae can provide the necessary B12. But remember, it's not just about intake. Our bodies need to absorb the vitamin too, which can be a challenge for some folks. That's why it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you suspect a deficiency. Don't forget, a lack of vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage. Moving on to vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining the health of your nerves. It contributes to the production of collagen, a key protein that helps protect the myelin sheath, the protective cover of our nerves. Without enough collagen, the myelin sheath can deteriorate, leading to nerve damage. Vitamin C also helps in the regeneration of other antioxidants within the body, enhancing your overall defense against nerve damage. It's like your body's own personal security team, always on the lookout for threats and ready to neutralize them. Now, where can you find this superhero of a vitamin? Well, it's abundant in many fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach are all excellent sources. So incorporate these foods into your diet and give your body the vitamin C it needs to protect your nerves. Remember, getting enough vitamin C is essential for your nerve health. Next, we have vitamin D, often dubbed the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D plays a pivotal role in maintaining nerve health. It's essential for the absorption of calcium, a mineral that helps transmit nerve impulses. Without adequate vitamin D, nerves can't function optimally, which may lead to nerve damage over time. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can trigger nerve pain and damage. So by reducing inflammation, vitamin D can help protect your nerves. Now you might be wondering, where can you get vitamin D? The good news is your body can produce it naturally when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But you can also find it in certain foods like fatty fish, beef, liver, cheese, and egg yolks. Supplements are another option, especially for those who live in areas with less sunlight. So make sure you get enough vitamin D to keep your nerves healthy. A little sunshine, a balanced diet, or a daily supplement can go a long way in maintaining your nerve health. Now, let's talk about vitamin E. This mighty vitamin is often overlooked, but it plays a significant role in safeguarding your nerves. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells, including nerve cells, from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can cause cell damage, and this damage can lead to nerve dysfunction. So how can you ensure you're getting enough vitamin E? Well, it's found in a variety of foods. Nuts and seeds are great sources, particularly almonds and sunflower seeds. You can also find vitamin E in green leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli for those with a sweet tooth. Kiwi and mango are fruits rich in vitamin E. Adding these foods to your diet can help boost your vitamin E intake and contribute to the health of your nerves. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add these vitamin E-rich foods to your cart. Remember, vitamin E is crucial for protecting your nerves from damage. Next up is vitamin K. Now, this vitamin might not be as well known as its alphabetical predecessors, but its role in nerve health is just as significant. Vitamin K plays a crucial part in maintaining the myelin sheath, which is an insulating layer that forms around nerves. This sheath is vital for the proper conduction of electrical impulses along the nerve cells. A deficiency of vitamin K could lead to nerve damage and neurological disorders. So where can you find this unsung hero of nerve health? Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are great sources. You'll also find it in fish, meat, and eggs. And let's not forget about fermented foods like cheese and natto, a traditional Japanese food made from fermented soybeans. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough vitamin K. Now let's discuss folic acid. This powerhouse vitamin, also known as vitamin B9, plays a pivotal role in maintaining nerve health. It's like the guardian angel of your nervous system, helping to protect and preserve it. Folic acid does an impressive job of ensuring the optimal function of your nerves. It assists in the creation and repair of DNA, the blueprint of life itself, which is crucial for the rapid cell division and growth seen in nerves. Moreover, folic acid aids in the production of red blood cells which deliver oxygen to the nerves. Oxygen is fuel for the nerves, helping them to function smoothly and efficiently. Protecting champion folic acid is abundant in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale. It's also found in fruits, nuts, beans, and fortified cereals. So don't forget to include these folic acid-rich foods in your diet for a healthier nervous system. Last but not least, we have niacin. This vitamin, also known as vitamin B3, plays a critical role in nerve health. Niacin assists in the production of various sex and stress-related hormones in the adrenal glands and other parts of the body. It also helps improve circulation and reduces inflammation, both of which are vital for maintaining healthy nerve function. Now you might be wondering, where can I get this niacin? Well, it's widely available in both plant and animal-based foods. Some rich sources of niacin include lean meats, poultry, fish, and eggs. For those leaning more towards plant-based diets, you can find niacin in legumes, nuts, and enriched breads and cereals. Remember, while niacin is vital, it's just one piece of the puzzle. And there you have it. 10 powerful vitamins to help protect your nerves from damage. We've journeyed together through the vital world of vitamins, starting with vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, and ending with niacin. Each with their unique roles in maintaining our nerve health. We've learned how vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, vitamin B12, and folic acid contribute to nerve regeneration and function. We've also discovered how vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K play crucial roles in nerve protection, repair, and overall health. These vitamins, when taken in the right amounts, can be a formidable shield against nerve damage. So remember to incorporate these vitamins into your diet, either through food or supplements, and enjoy the many benefits they offer. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more health and wellness insights. Here's to your health.